Stuck trying to find campaigns in Pipedrive? Here is exactly how to activate it in under 5 minutes. We are going to walk through the menu, the trial setup, and the activation. Follow these steps and you will have campaigns live. So let me show you exactly how this works. Start with Pipedrive open in your browser. This is the view you see every day. Your deals, your contacts, your pipeline. We are going to add a powerful tool to it. Now look over at the left sidebar, that dark vertical menu with all your main sections. See where it says More? It is usually near the bottom. Click on More to expand that extra set of options. From the More menu, scroll down until you see Campaigns. Go ahead and select it. This is the gateway to your email marketing tools. Now, give the Campaigns page a moment to load. Depending on your connection, this might take a second or two. Just let it do its thing. All right, take a look at this overview page. It is showing you what campaigns can do, but right now it is not active. You will see a big button that says Get Started for Free. That is your ticket in. Click that button. Now, wait for a new window to pop up. This is the Activate Campaigns window. This is where we set everything up. Before you click anything else, read through the free trial details carefully. Pipedrive is going to show you exactly what you get during the trial period. No hidden surprises. And here is the really important part. Check the subscriber limit for your specific plan. Different plans have different limits, so make sure you know how many contacts you can actually email during this trial. You do not want to start building a campaign and then hit a wall. Now look at the pricing information. They will show you exactly what this feature costs once the trial ends. Take a second to understand the pricing after the trial. It is good to know what you are signing up for before you commit. Read the trial policy too. It covers things like when the trial starts, when it ends, and what happens if you decide not to continue. I have tested this process myself, and it is straightforward, but you always want to know the terms. Ready? Click that Start Free Trial button. Now, wait for campaigns to activate. This might take a few moments to process. You will see a loading indicator. Just be patient. When it finishes, you should see the campaigns dashboard appear. That is your confirmation that everything worked. If you see your dashboard with options to create a new campaign, you are in business. Campaigns is now active in your Pipedrive account. You can start creating and managing email marketing campaigns right from here. Send newsletters, follow up on leads, or set up automated sequences. It is all ready to go. So go ahead and start exploring your new tools. You have earned it.